Going on, everybody? Captain Namco here, and we're getting ready. I'm cleaning my room today and preparing for my knee surgery. It's going to be coming up, and we're going to vacuum what I can right now for the time being anyways. Gonna run my 2003 Simplicity Symmetry. Hold up, clogged up. All right. Alright, y'all. The fun part's gonna be shampooing this. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Drop a like, comment down below. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you. Have a wonderful day.